Look, when you search for Wix versus Squarespace, you probably want to know which builder is easier to use and which one is a better long-term business investment. That's not an easy question to answer since both of these best website builder options are beginner-friendly and come with some amazing features, but they're also built for different purposes. I've built so many sites with Wix and Squarespace that I can confidently break down which builder is best for you. And if you're here just to save some money with a discount, I've left those links in the description. You can thank me later. First, how to build a website with these platforms. Both Wix and Squarespace let you start building without knowing how to code, and you don't even need to understand web building principles or best practices. You get templates, drag and drop tools, AI builders, AI content generators, and plenty of add-ons through apps or extensions. So while a lot of this sounds similar, the performance and flexibility each platform offers is actually very different. Starting with Wix, the platform gives you more than 2,000 templates across dozens of industries, complete freedom inside its drag and drop editor, and even a blank template option if you want to build from scratch. It's ideal if you want full creative control over your Wix website, since you can even go into the code and create almost anything you want. Squarespace, on the other hand, offers around 200 templates that are known for minimalism and modern design. It's no secret that I really like these designs, and the awards they've won prove I'm not the only one. The Squarespace editor also uses drag and drop elements, but it keeps everything, including tools and layouts, inside a more controlled platform. It's simpler and easier for beginners, but you won't have the same level of customization freedom later on. Squarespace focuses on a minimal approach, offering only what's needed, while Wix gives you pretty much everything but the kitchen sink. For me, Wix wins this category by offering far more choice and flexibility. But don't get me wrong, Squarespace, with its amazing designs, is still perfect for beginners or clean portfolio style sites. Looking at just how much Wix has to offer, it naturally leads in the AI tools category. Currently, Wix offers more than 20 AI features, including an AI website builder that creates designs from prompts, AI text and blog generation, AI image creation, and even image editing. Then there's AI generated layouts, an AI design assistant, an AI logo maker, and advanced Wix SEO tools. Wix tools can even create Google ad titles and descriptions automatically, plus generate emails, product descriptions, and blog posts. What's most interesting to me is the newly added AI visibility tools. You might have heard about LLM SEO, or in other words, AI-based search. Not a lot of builders have this implemented, so massive props to Wix for taking the lead. And we're not even including all the AI apps you can get from the app market. So as you can see, there is a lot of AI for you to utilize. To best demonstrate Wix tools, let's quickly create a website. First, the AI will ask us a few questions, and the more info we feed it, the more fleshed out and high quality the design will be. I really appreciate that. Unlike most other AI builders, it asks questions like a support agent instead of requiring all the info in one long prompt. And just like that, our design is done. And now we can use the AI tools we mentioned earlier to fill that design with content. Squarespace uses AI mainly for a few parts of website building, but not to the same degree as Wix does. Its blueprint system creates a site after you answer a few questions, generating layouts, fonts, colors, and written copy that you can refine. But it's hard to call this true AI, since you're mostly just picking what you need from a limited selection, and that's it. Like with Wix, we can create a website on the spot. We give some basic info about our site, pick our vibe, and then we get to the AI part, which is really just selecting from a list. Yeah, not quite the big AI revolution you might be expecting. Honestly, just stick with templates when building a site here. Overall, Squarespace's AI is okay. It works just fine. But Wix offers a far broader and more powerful AI toolkit for building pretty much any type of website. And hey, if you're ready to start building with AI, make sure to use the Wix discount link in the description to get the best deals available. Since we started with tools, let's get a bit deeper into SEO and marketing, the lifeblood of any modern business. Wix provides strong on-page, off-page, technical, and local SEO tools all in one platform, and then tops it off with plenty of SEO-related apps. Even the free Wix SEO Wiz guides you step-by-step through optimizing your entire site, helps you connect directly to Google Search Console, and generates AI-powered meta tags. Yeah, it does a lot for you. But it's not just about automatic SEO. You can customize your URLs, control how your pages look when shared on social media, integrate GA4 analytics, use SEMrush for keyword research, and take advantage of new AI visibility tools designed to improve LLM-based search results. I'm getting tired just naming all of these features. Squarespace is also not bad in this regard. It includes built-in SEO along with Search Atlas, a third-party AI assistant that checks site health and metadata, identifies broken links, and helps manage audits. On top of that, Squarespace integrates with Google Search Console and supports social sharing optimization, generating meta descriptions, and page titles automatically. So yes, both platforms have solid SEO and marketing features, but Wix simply offers more automation and deeper integrations, making it a better choice for basically any web project's growth. For e-commerce, well, you know the tune by now. Wix again provides a broader set of tools. You get over 500 e-commerce templates, more than 100 global payment processors, abandoned cart recovery, automated tax calculations, currency conversion, and built-in drop shipping. Wix also automates inventory syncing, provides advanced analytics, and connects to Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Merchant Center. So there are a lot of business opportunities here, no matter where you or your customers are located. Squarespace offers fewer built-in e-commerce features and relies more on third-party extensions. They're solid tools, but the selection just can't be compared to Wix. Squarespace also supports only a handful of payment gateways, has limited automation, and doesn't include native drop shipping. It does allow multi-channel selling on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Merchant Center, but it's better suited for smaller stores rather than larger, growing businesses. Look, if you're only selling a few products or digital items, Squarespace will be just fine. But for everyone else looking to scale their business, Wix offers way more room to grow. Finally, pricing. Wix offers a free plan that lets you try the Wix website builder with full tools and hosting before upgrading. That plan stays free for as long as you use Wix, but it does come with a lot of restrictions and Wix ads on your site. Higher tiers unlock everything a modern site really needs, including e-commerce features, analytics, and more storage. Squarespace doesn't offer a free plan, but it does include a 14-day trial. There's no option to truly publish a website during that time. It's mainly to try the builder out. The Squarespace Commerce Plan is solid though. It removes transaction fees and provides stronger selling tools, but video storage is the biggest difference between tiers, which could be a downside if you're planning to host a lot of video content. Overall, when it comes to pricing, these two are very similar. The plans are feature-packed, so it's not like you'll make a mistake choosing either Wix or Squarespace. It really comes down to whether you need an all-in-one powerhouse or a more focused, stylish business builder. And hey, if you want a more in-depth Wix review or Squarespace review, leave a comment and let me know. As you can see, comparing Wix versus Squarespace reveals two strong platforms, but they're designed for different types of users. Wix offers more templates, more customization, more AI, more automation, and more overall flexibility, making it ideal for scaling businesses, larger projects, and creators who want full control. Squarespace is better suited for simpler, stylish portfolios, service-based websites, and creative projects where ease of use matters more than long-term flexibility. If you want a platform that adapts to your growth and helps your business evolve with you, Wix is a stronger choice. No matter which one you choose, follow the links below to get the best deal available, and let me know in the comments which platform you're going with. If you have any questions, don't be shy, ask away. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.